sometimes making a decision takes a little bit of time, and I'm making some really big decisions right now in business and in my personal life. And it brought me back to one of Bashar's principles that he teaches, which is around, if you have a decision to make, that you always choose the one that's exciting or a little bit more exciting. Always choose the one that's a little bit more exciting. And now that I'm saying that, I have a lot more clarity on the direction of the decisions that I'm going to be making. And so sometimes you have to write it down. You guys know I'm big into journaling. You got to write it down, and you got to look like which decision is going to be a little bit more exciting. That's the one that you have to take, even if it's going to scare you. Even if it's going to make you feel uncomfortable, that's the one you got to go for.